Hey guys, this is a main channel video on my phone, which never happens. Well, it does, but it doesn't. But it's not a vlog, it's actually a main video. This is gonna be no. Okay. This is gonna be a room tour. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and yeah, let's get on with it. Okay, so first, you see my door, and we're inside my room. And you see this little guy. Basically, he prevents my door hitting the wall. And he just looks cute where he is. So, beside my door is this tassel, which is from when I graduated in 2017. And then you just see a happy birthday balloon. Then you just see fairy lights going up and around. I had to finish that. But behind it, you see a clock with 2 shears, which I got from my aunt. And then right here, this is my TV and my Xbox, and this is how it's kind of set up right now. And this is like my main dresser. And then of course I have 2 like samples in here, and then like a couple brushes and stylus for when I do my editing. And this is an old candle thing and I just thought it was cute, so I just put little things in it. Up here is my underwear drawer and pajama drawer, my shirt, it's for work, my t-shirts and that for like at home and lounging, and then of course my dressy side, jeans and like pants, and then leggings, like what I live in. And then over here is my mirror from Walmart. This from my Nana, which I think is cute. My closet, which you can't open right now, but it's just, I've been at to find where to put. But right now it's just like all my long sleeves, Cosmo stuff, and then pillows I have to put out. Then right here is my nightstand. And on here we just have my iPad, which is on. This can go in the drawer. Like, it's just sitting out. A picture of my cousin on top of a Beanie Baby, my lava lamp, picture of my papa and my mom, another candle which is lavender and vanilla. This one actually has a candle inside. Incense burner. I'm obsessed with incense. And inside this drawer I just have paperwork, my incense jar to hold like trash from it, then my incense, which if you paid attention in my favorites video, these are mentioned inside of it because I'm like in love with these. Then down here I just have this, my cases, and then like my Apple boxes because I'm obsessed with Apple. Then above this I just have my calendar, which is just all flowers and nice and pretty. And then inside the window I just have stained glass that I made. And then this is just where I graduated from. I'm blocking my school, but 2017. And this is my bed, which I should have decorated before the video, but honestly, this is how my beds usually gotta look. And then I have a dream catcher up there, and then you see where my lights end. I had to finish it and go around. Okay, so I need to get on top of my bed. This is my like random dresser. So I just have my makeup mirror, Beanie Babies. This is from my great grandmother. And then I have like a mini version that I bought myself. Then of course we have my Statue of Liberty, an ornament that says my name, and then like little tiny decorations for my mom and my grandparents. What my boyfriend got me, like it's just random. But then you have an egg right there, a shot glass with my name on it, more random stuff, and then like a chain for my Nana and Beanie Babies. So if you hear me moving, then my jewelry box just needs to be replaced. It just has necklaces in it, and then like bracelets. Then a basket I need to find to put something in. Okay, so in the drawers of this is just movies and games, like Pretty Liars and TV shows. Inside I just have my controller, my DS charger, my camera, my DS games, headphones for Xbox, and then my phone stuff like my phone case and phone screen protector, and then my speaker. I put nothing in this one yet because I didn't find anything for it. And then over here, we just have my Suicide Squad Harley Quinn poster from Walmart. And then my tripod and my basket. And if you guys are wondering, yes, my tripod is gonna stay there. Because honestly, it looks good there. And I like it. Like, it's just me. It is just how I roll with my bedroom. So yeah. That was my room. My room is very boring, my bed's very boring until I get more decorations for it. But honestly, I like it. It's girly, but it's not like, oh my god, girly. It's like me. It's like part girly, part country, part gamer, part tomboy, part, I don't know what to call it. It's like a mixture of personalities that just add up to being me. And yeah, and I like it. And as long as I like it, that's all that matters. So that was the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe down below, and check the eye icon above for videos. And if you see me wearing multiple videos with this shirt or a blue shirt, it's because I am pre-recording, because I don't know when I can film again. So I'm filming a bunch of videos inside one video. So I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, comment, subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more videos from me, and please leave comments down below what you guys want to see in the future. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!